Hi, welcome to our channel StatMaster. Today actually we are going to discuss a topic which is called research. So many of us have confusions that research what does actually mean and what research actually used for the higher study or the higher level of things or not. So let me clear out the research actually what is the main purpose of using the research term. So first of all, you can see the research. If I break this name, so what does it mean? It's a re and the search. Now the question searching again and again. So that means the research means whenever you're going to search any kind of activities, uh, any kind of situations again and again. So that is called research. So very interesting point. And now, if you are talking about research, if you are searching again and again, that means it's happened in day-to-day life in our day-to-day life. So, if I say, suppose if you are going to search any pain in your room, so what will happen? You are searching the pain from one room here and there. Again, you are not going to find the room pain. So, what you are going to do? You are going to search in another room. So, in that situations, so it is also called a research. So even I'll give you another example. Suppose if you're going to find a good definition for a particular research. So if you are going to find out the definition of the research, now you are going to follow more than 10 books. So you are searching that you are going to find out the what is exactly proper meaning of the research. So you are going to follow the more than 10 books. Now after you are looking for the taking a reference for the 10 books, you are going to find out this definition is good. So this is actually a research. You are doing a research to find out a particular definitions, or you are going to follow more than 10 books. So this time you are doing a research. So in every moment, whenever you are going to do any kind of searching any elements, searching any items, or you are going to observe any things, so that is called research. Now the question is this kind of research we are going to implement in our higher level of study or research, even the PhD or higher level of research oriented courses? Actually, if I say it's a no. Now the question is why it is no. So basically, whenever you are going to do any kind of research or any kind of searching methods you are going to apply, it should be a systematic way. It should be a systematic or any scientifical way. So if you're going to follow the scientific way and the systematic way to find the object or find the situation or observing the situation, in that time it is called research that actually we are going to implement in our study. So that is called research cases. Now you can see in this definition I have mentioned the systematic investigations into the study materials, sources, etc., in order to establish facts and to reach new conclusions. Whatever fact it is, so whenever you are going to apply any systematic methods or systematic or scientific method to investigate the situation, so that is called research. That is actually our higher level of research or whatever type of research we are going to do. So now systematic way, what is systematic way, what is scientific way? So in the scientific way we have to follow some methods that I have already discussed in other video. You may get link from this video also. So systematic research means you can use some observation method, you can use some interview category of methods, you can use questionnaires method. These are the different methods to find out the fact situations, how to find out the situational effect. So that is called research. I can see research is a systematic approach to obtaining and the confirming new and reliable knowledge. So that is called research. Limitations. Now you have to do a sufficient of data investigations. So you have to find out the sample. So this is my sample and you are going for the data collection. So whenever you are going for the data collection, if it is a primary category data, then you go for the data collection. It is secondary, so easily you can collect from data. Then data after your data collections, so you have to investigate your research. So then you have to check your reliability and the validity of the data. Is really your data is reliable, or valid for your study or not, so that you have to verify by using the reliability test or validity test. So that is the next step. Then after your testing has done, the analysis part is completed, then you can go for the conclusion part. Whatever you have done in the research portion, the conclusion should be added there. So that is the next way you have to explain. So this is the steps whenever you are going to start a good research. These are the points in your mind should be always focused on, because this is the scientific way whenever you're going to do a research. Find out the problems, find out a research area, then you have to going for the research methods. What are the methods you are going to apply, what are the limitation, or what is the design of your study, then going for the data collection method, data you have collected, then analysis, then conclusion. So these are the proper way, the scientific way whenever you're going to do a research. So this is the structure, that the planning, how to plan your research. So that is the planning. First of all, statement of the problem statement. You have to identify the area, where is the problem, what is the research gap. So that in that gap you have to focus on your research, so that you have to identify the problem, you have to identify it. Then literature review, you have to focus on multiple literature review. You have to understood what exactly they are doing, and what is the gap. You have to find out from the literature review, and you can implement your own problem there. So that is the literature review always support. And the choice of research methods, then methods will apply, then design your study, then data collection, then analysis. Then after that all the things are completed, then write up. Write up means you have to conclude your paper, your study or research. So that is your plan. So whenever you are going to start a research, so you have to follow this structure. So research means it's a scientific way whenever you are going to search any items, search any situation, or observe any situation in the scientific way or systematic way. So that is called research. So that's all. I think hope you will get some idea regarding this research topic. Thank you for watching our videos. Stay safe and stay healthy.